Hey guys, welcome back to Click. In this video, I'll be showing you or discuss with you Revitalyn Skin and Gut Health Probiotic Gummies. So, you might be wondering what is the Revitalyn Gummies that you may be hearing online. So, Revitalyn here is a gummy supplement aimed at both skin and gut health, built around the idea that a lot of skin issues actually trace back to your gut. Now, the core ingredients are Bacillus coagulans, a probiotic meant to balance your gut bacteria, inulin, a prebiotic fiber that basically feeds those good bacteria. Babchi here, a herbal antioxidant that brand says supports collagen and skin renewal, and fennel here, a digestive herb for bloating and gut comfort. And dandelion, positioned as a gentle detox ingredient for liver and digestion support. Now, it's marketed as all natural and made in an FDA registered GMP certified US facility. Now, that's according to their website. Now, how do you exactly use it or take it? Well, this one is that simple. One gummy a day here, and that's it. No splitting doses or timing it around meals, just a daily habit. Now, that's according to their website. Now, as for the pricing itself, well, the page lists a regular price of around $99 a bottle, discounted down to the $49 for this promotion. And they push 6 bottle packages pretty hard here, so they claim 90% of customers go with that option as well, with free shipping kicking in once you hit that 6 bottle order. There's also a 6-day money back guarantee, and the page says you can send back all the bottles, even empty ones, and still get refunded if it's not working out for you. Now, with any type of supplements that you may be taking in the future, it is highly recommended that you consult a doctor first, especially if you have any medical conditions, or if you're pregnant, or if you're taking other supplements, just to be on the safe side. But that's about it. Now, if you do have any questions regarding the product, you could also reach out to them by going to their official website and going to the very bottom here, or going to the FAQ page. But that's about it. So, if you found this video helpful, hit the like and subscribe button and watch our next video.